This is your mother. Do you remember me?
Mother! Mother, I was just going to call you. I had my
You were supposed to
hand...
call me last Friday.
I know, darling. I didn't have a second.
I
Believe
sat
me.
by that phone all day Friday.
Mom, it's been so hectic.
All day Friday night.
Mother, I didn't have a moment.
All day Saturday.
Mother, believe me.
All day Sunday.
Mother, I had...
Everybody said to me, eat something, you'll faint.
Mom, listen to me. Believe...
No, I don't want my mouth to be full when my son calls me.
Mom. How are you?
I'm sick. I went to the doctor, and he told me you cannot stand the slightest aggravation.
Well, sure.
But you see, doctor, I have this son. And he's very busy. He has this, that. He's too busy to pick up a phone and call his mother. I hope I didn't make you feel bad.